Introducing the luxurious 2022 Audi A8 60 TFSI E462 bhp Quattro C Luxury with tint and ambient lighting in stunning blue. With only 58824 key, this 3-liter beauty is packed with features like Bluetooth, satellite navigation, ambient lighting, lane departure warning, and more. Safety is a top priority with multiple airbags, collision avoidance braking, and more. Chrome package adds style, while self-driving technology enhances convenience. This Audi comes with a full multi-point health check, comprehensive warranty, and service to manufacturer specs. Don't miss out on this exceptional vehicle. Contact us or visit audicork.ie for more details. Drive in style and safety today.